Interesting facts about peafowl, peacock or peahen. The male is called a peacock, while the female is called a peahen. Together, they are called peafowl. That giant tail isn't actually a tail. The colorful feathers that a peacock spreads are called a train. His real tail feathers help support the train. They can shake their feathers. During courtship, a peacock fans out his train and vibrates it, creating a fascinating shimmering effect. Their feathers look like they have eyes. The beautiful patterns on the train are called eye spots. Scientists believe these patterns help attract mates. Peafowl can fly. Despite their large size and heavy-looking feathers, peafowl can fly short distances. They often fly up into trees to sleep safely. They can make surprisingly loud calls. Peafowl have loud, distinctive calls that can be heard from quite far away. Peahens usually have less colorful feathers. Females generally have brown or grayish plumage, which helps them blend into their surroundings while nesting. They sleep in trees. At night, wild peafowl often roost high in trees to stay away from predators. They eat many different foods. Peafowl are omnivores. They can eat seeds, fruits, plants, insects, and other small creatures. They have a special connection with India. The Indian peafowl is the national bird of India and is famous for its spectacular blue and green plumage. Peafowl have been admired for thousands of years. Their striking appearance has made them important in art, stories, and cultures across Asia and beyond. Their feathers can appear to change color. The brilliant colors aren't simply caused by pigments. The microscopic structure of the feathers reflects light in ways that create their shimmering blue and green appearance.